So hello guys, welcome to this channel where I teach dropshipping, cryptocurrency and digital marketing. Today's video is related to the cryptocurrency, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can connect your Binance account with your WazirX account and how you can transfer money from your bank to the Binance account step by step. To do this all process, you will need these three applications. First is WazirX, second is Binance, and third is MobiKwik application. Okay, and you have to verify your KYC on all of these three platforms. After that only you can transfer your money into your Binance account directly. Okay, now let's have a look at the steps to deposit money in your Binance account. Okay, so this is the first step, that you have to connect your WazirX and Binance account together. Okay, after that the second step is you have to add money in your MobiKwik wallet using your bank. After that, third step is you have to transfer money from MobiKwik wallet to WazirX wallet. After that, you have to purchase USDT. USDT is the cryptocurrency, by the way. You have to purchase USDT Tether, okay, which is also known as Tether. You have to purchase this USDT in your WazirX, and after that, you have to transfer that USDT from WazirX to Binance wallet. Okay, so this is quite a long process, but a simple process. I will take you step by step through each and every steps of this process. Now let's start with the first step, how to connect your Binance account to the WazirX account. Okay, first you have to log into your Binance account. After that, you have to click on this wallet and this section will appear in front of you. You have to click on this fiat and spot. After that, this page will appear in front of you. Then you have to click on this WazirX. Okay, after that this box will appear in front of you. Then you have to click on connect WazirX, and after this some steps will be taken, like just verification, email verification or mobile number verification, and then it will connect together, like WazirX and Binance will connect together. It is a very simple step. Some verification will be done after that. Okay, but you will need to verify your KYC on both of these things, like WazirX and Binance also. Okay, after that, once it gets connected, you will see this box appeared in your WazirX account. Now we have completed our first step, like we have connected our WazirX account and Binance account. Now next step is add money in MobiKwik wallet using your bank. Okay, then you have to download this application MobiKwik, and you have to verify your KYC in this MobiKwik application. You have to click on this MobiKwik application. Then you have to go to this balance section. First you have to verify this. Okay, you have to verify your KYC here. MobiKwik is simply like a Phone Pay and Google Pay. Okay, after that you have to click on this balance, and then this section will come up here in front of you. You have to click on this add money. After that you have to put amount here, like I have put 3000, and then after that you have to click here add 3000. Okay, then you have to put your UPI code right here. After that, the 3000 amount will be added in your MobiKwik wallet, guys. Okay, now likewise your second step has been completed, like add money in MobiKwik wallet using your bank. We have added our money in MobiKwik wallet. Now we want to transfer this money from MobiKwik wallet to the WazirX wallet. Okay, so how to do that? You just have to go to your WazirX account. After that, you can see there is one section like of rupee. You just have to click on deposit, because we want to deposit our INR, our rupee, in this WazirX wallet. Okay, so we just have to click on this deposit. Then this page will appear. You have to click on instant deposit. After that, this page will appear. You just have to enter your amount. Okay, now one thing I want to clear here, guys, is that when you add your money from MobiKwik wallet to the WazirX wallet, you will get charged 1.5% transaction fee plus GST of 18% on that 1.5% amount. Okay, so here you can see you have to enter your amount. After that, I have entered my amount 3040 rupees. Likewise, I told you like I have added total 100 rupees also after that. So I put here to 3040 rupees. Then I clicked on continue. After that, this page will appear where you can see like 3040 plus 1.5% convenience fee plus GST on that 1.5%, which becomes total of 53.81%. So now I have to pay total 3093 rupees to get deposit 3040 in my WazirX wallet. Okay, after that I have click on this make payment button. Then you have to put your MobiKwik number right here. I have put that number. After that, one OTP will come on your mobile. Then you have to put that OTP. And then this thing will appear where you will show like what is your wallet balance and insufficient balance, everything. Now my wallet balance is 3107 of MobiKwik. Okay, and then I have clicked on pay now. After that, this will process, and within seconds, like it will get deposit successfully, right? Okay, now you can go back to your WazirX account, and you can see that in rupees you have got 3040 rupees in your WazirX wallet. Likewise, you have completed your 3 step of like transferring money from MobiKwik wallet to the WazirX wallet. After that, you have to purchase USDT Tether in WazirX. Okay. Now you might have question why we have to purchase USDT in like WazirX and why not any other currency. Okay, you have to purchase USDT because it is kind of a stable currency. Okay, it does not go like 50%, 50, 60% down, 50%, 60% up. It is always a stable currency. Like it always plays between 77 to 82 rupees. It is just near to that, and always it is equal to the 1 USDT is equal to the 1 USD, United States of dollar. So that is why we take this USDT, and USDT is basically a cryptocurrency, okay, that you are going to buy, but it is stable. Its price is always stable. So you just have to buy this USDT, and then after that you have to transfer that USDT to the Binance account. Okay, so now I will tell you how you have to purchase this USDT in your WazirX. First of all, you just have to go to the WazirX, then you have to click on the above section of exchange. Then in INR section, you have to put USDT right here, and you have to click on this USDT/INR section. Okay, once you click on this tab will appear in front of you. You can see USDT/INR box has been opened in front of you, and now 1 USDT is equal to 77.37 rupees. Now you have to click on this lowest price section right here, like lowest price. After that, you have to put a total your INR here, and like I have put like 100%, and you can see 3040 INR. I can purchase 39.29, and now order is successfully placed. You can see in completed orders, my order is there. I have purchased 39.29 USDT using my 3040 rupees. Okay, now what is this open order section? Okay, let's say when you have put your order right here at 77.37, the rate went down to the 77.30, let's say. Okay, so at when the rate was 77.30, but you have put your order of 77.37 and 3040 total INR and amount of USDT, you are gonna get 39.29, but the actual rate, let's say, is going here like 77.3. so it will appear in this first, or like in open order section, it will appear here, and as soon as this price touch against 77.33, like from 77.3 to 77.33, then it will get completed, then it will get completed orders. Okay, so after that your order will get completed. So it's just a simple process. You just have to go to the lowest price, you just have to click your like 100% of your INR, or you just have to put your like you don't want to purchase like INR of 3040 rupees in total, so you can just purchase of 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, whatever amount you want. You can just purchase USDT here. Once you purchase your USDT, you can see your wallet of WazirX that we have purchased the USDT of 39.29. You can see it here, right? Now we have completed our 4th step of purchasing USDT in WazirX. Now we want to transfer that USDT from WazirX to Binance wallet. So how we can do that? First, I will like to show you my Binance account. Here you can see I have USDT 124.64 USDT is what I have already in my Binance account. Now I want to add that 39.2 USDT in this Binance account. Okay, so do so, you have to go to the WazirX. In this funds section, you have to click on this, like you have to click here, and after that you have to make sure that here is WazirX and here is Binance and here is Tether selected. Okay, after that you have to click on this 100% or whatever the amount of USDT you want to transfer to your Binance account. I will click on 100%, and after that you can see 39.29 appeared here. Then I will click on transfer to Binance. After that, fund transfer successfully. Okay, like within a second, guys, from you can see here, like I don't have USDT in this section in this WazirX now, but if I go back to my Binance account, and you can see 124 becomes 163 now. So you can see like before I like now I have 163.93 USDT in my Binance account, and before it was 124.64, so difference come to 39.29. So this means that I have transferred my USDT from WazirX to Binance, and hence wise our all these steps of transferring our money from like bank to the Binance account has been completed. Now for sure there are different methods of like P2P and other 2-3 methods of transferring money from like from INR to like in Binance account, but I will cover that later. This is the simplest method I have told you, without any transaction fee or anything. You just have to pay your transaction fee when you add your money from like MobiKwik wallet to the WazirX, but after that WazirX to Binance, it will not charge you any transaction fee. So this is such a simple method that you should try. I know it is a long method, but a simple method at the same time when you try it yourself. Okay, so I will suggest you, if you got like 200 USDT to transfer. First, just transfer 10 USDT or 20 USDT to the Binance account and check whether you are able to do it or not. And after that, if everything goes fine, then you can try. Then you can like transfer your remaining USDT in your Binance account. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, I am gonna show you how you can transfer your money from bank to the directly Binance account. But in that video, I'm going to teach you how you can transfer money using CoinDCX application. Now WazirX is different application and CoinDCX is different application. So I'm going to cover that in the next video tomorrow. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like any of this like dropshipping, cryptocurrency or digital marketing, you should subscribe to my channel, and you should also hit that like button if you are like this video really. Okay, so that's it for this video, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.